Good morning. Today we're going to unbox the Makerfire VR007 Pro, which is the successor to the VR006, which we have unboxed previously. It even comes in a similar box with a faux carbon fiber finish. Let's open it. Okay, so it has a manual. The goggles. Let's look at these first. So there's the antenna, two antennas, and an AV cable and a USB charger. So the goggles itself is very small. I think it's even smaller than the VR006. It has two antennas, but I don't think this is true diversity. It's probably just using antenna diversity, just like the two antenna version of the VR006. It's RP-SMA, which is typical with a Chinese-made goggles. The straps are attached already. Everything of interest is here at the top. We have the AV port, the antenna connectors, the battery charging indicator, the USB port, and the buttons. Let's power it up. Pressing this button accesses the menu and moves to the next menu item. Pressing this button exits the menu, and pressing these two buttons changes the value of the menu item. Brightness, contrast, saturation, AV select to select from the AV input or from the built-in receiver. Language, there's English and Chinese. Version information, and to reset all settings. Let's try it with a quad. Seems to be pretty clear. One thing I noticed is the screen seems to be of a 16.9 aspect ratio, so there's some cropping of the OSD that will have to be adjusted in Betaflight. This is the scan button. Wow, it's pretty fast. That's even faster than the VR006. I think we should compare this to the VR006. So here it is compared to the VR006, and it's quite clear that it's significantly smaller. So not just on the length, but even the height. The screen is smaller. This is 16 by 9, and this is 4 by 3. So there's some cropping on the VR007. In terms of clarity, it seems the VR007 is a bit clearer with better contrast. So this has a lot of improvements over the VR006. It's smaller, lighter, The aspect ratio is 16:9, which is becoming more popular. And it has antenna diversity. And it has an AV out port, which means you don't have to open the unit to add a DVR. And that's it for the Makerfire VR007. Thank you for watching.